Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fari, and today I want to show you about game demo game. Okay, today I will show you game name is Fruit Ninja. Okay, okay. Like a free ninja game in the real, we work to slice the fruit that is flying from this and reach the highest score, and we will win as player. Okay, let's go play this game. Okay, slice of right, and we must don't touch the bomb. If bomb touch, we will get lost like this. But if you reach uh, 20 score, and you will get get a win. Okay, this is coding about knife. This is a banana coding. This is watermelon coding. This is the bomb coding, and this is a glass weather that he show when we click the green flag, and he will show as play button. Okay, now let's play again. This so I enjoy to play it. This is so easy, but many have bug that I can fix. Okay, let's play again. Okay, slice the banana and watermelon with the knife. Okay, until reach the. Nah, okay. They win. I win. I win. Okay. The duration is done at 3 minutes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.